9:30. I honestly didn't really sleep last night. I think I'm just a little stressed. I'm making breakfast. My bagel's in the toaster, and I'm making 2 scrambled eggs. Okay, I'm gonna eat and do emails. I couldn't keep this aloe scented.
You're okay? So weird, yeah, I know. Maybe lunges just like this. Good. It's like the weirdest sensation. I know. Good. Yeah. Oh my god. Great.
I went to aloe. It was so hard, the EMS. Basically it just feels like your body's twitching the whole time, and if you like straighten your arm in a weird way, it like locks. So I'm home. I have dinner with some of my friends tonight, which will be really nice. I'll probably edit a little bit, check my emails, see what's up with customer service, make sure they're responding to people, make sure they're sending the correct emails out.
Yep. Go to dinner. See you tomorrow. Say hi to my vlog. That was a good one.
You're like Loki, what did you guys have? 55? I think you're punching down on it, which is the move.
I'm just getting ready for the day. Good morning. Happy Mental Health Awareness Month. I didn't even know that was a thing in May, but I'm partnering with BetterHelp, and they told me that it was Mental Health Awareness Month. I had therapy yesterday. I think I filmed it. But I feel like I'm always talking about BetterHelp. It's just a company I believe in. I'm such an advocate for therapy. If you're new or you haven't heard me talk about BetterHelp, which I don't know how that would be possible. BetterHelp is basically like an online therapy service. So you fill out a questionnaire, they match you with a therapist based on the questionnaire, and then if for some reason you get a therapist that you're not really vibing with, you can switch and there's no penalty or cost or anything like that. And I kind of feel like I'm just in an era of my life where I just want to be like the best version of myself. I'm starting a business. I really feel like I'm maturing and getting older and entering my late 20s, and as much as I also want to take care of my physical health, I feel like mental is just as important. And I think sometimes we like neglect that, or we just focus on things we can see instead of feel, if that makes sense. So basically, since moving to New York, I really wanted to prioritize my mental health as well as my physical health, which I think is showing up in these videos as well. Not to bore you with my own stories, but I just feel like therapy has really helped me deal with a lot of things that are out of my control, and like when my natural response is to panic or stress, it's kind of just given me that little voice in my head that has some tools, and I do it through video chat, which is also something that's great about BetterHelp because you can do it from the comfort of your own home, which is I think sometimes the deterrent from therapy. You're like, I don't have the time, I don't want to go sit in somebody's office, but with BetterHelp you can video chat, you can message, you can phone call, and you know, it's kind of on your own schedule, which is lovely. It's just been a great outlet for me. And so if you are interested and you don't know where to start and you want to use BetterHelp, I have a link that I'll put in my description box, or I can like write it on the screen. You just go to www.betterhelp.com/Olivia Jade and you can get 10% off your first month of therapy. And that's the tea. Oh, also, I've really been loving this Natasha Denona color corrector. A makeup artist, Carly Fisher, incredible makeup artist in LA, used this on me and it kind of changed my makeup. Also, I'm such an idiot. I fed my sourdough starter way too early yesterday, and it must have peaked in the night and then fell in the morning, so that was a bust. I'm taking the dark highlight, I'm taking the gold, and I'm just doing like kind of a warm sunlit like glow from within highlight. I'm always using like shade light and medium because obviously the dark bronzer doesn't suit my skin tone, but it's just like this really pretty like gold. And then of course freckles. Stamp. And then it just like makes it look so much more natural. Okay, that's all I have for you. I have so much skincare and makeup, and a lot of it I haven't used, a lot of it's really great. And so I'm donating. I have a big box and I'm gonna clear out this because I need to do that, and I've been putting it off. I honestly crushed that. Let me show you. It's so much better. And then this side is like pretty empty. Beautiful. I'm having a shopping bug, so I'm gonna go shopping. I just keep trying on different sunglasses. I don't know why these are kind of giving Brad Pitt, but I just love them. I need to tuck this back in my hat. Okay, I put a little makeup on. Bronze and Glow, of course. It's the next day. I forgot to show you guys everything I got from my shopping excursion. I did get lucky. Here we are. At Dana Foley, I found this really cool dress, and then it like goes right below the knee, and it's like a disco ball. I'm going on a work trip next week to somewhere in Europe, and I thought this would be a fun dress at like dinner. And then I went to Bucci. They have such beautiful dresses, and I bought 3. Actually, no, I bought 2 and they gifted me 1. It was so nice of them. Got this little gray dress. It's strapless, really mini, and it's just so cute. And then it comes with a little necktie. I tried this pink dress on and I loved it. Tiny little baby doll dress, and it has a matching headscarf, which you know I love. I loved it so much, I was like, oh, maybe I should get it in a polka dot one too. And this one had a little bow, and it's so cute. This one has a matching scarf instead of headscarf. I ordered this online from Bucci, but I thought I would include it because it's perfect. And then lastly, I stopped by this vintage store called No Standing NYC, which I've talked about on YouTube ages ago, but I bought this sweater, which I believe is Courage. They had this little vintage Dolce & Gabbana cover up, ties like that. And then it's really long. I think I might cut it. It's a material where I feel like I could take fabric scissors and cut, and then like worst case, if I mess it up, I could just have the seamstress fix the bottom. I got this. This is a Donna Karan sweater dress, which I know we're approaching summer, but it just fit really well. It had a cool collar and it was just really chic, like a little mini black sweater dress. And then I found this Michael Kors top, which I think I like showed in the try on in like some of the vlog footage, but it's actually a top, like an old Michael Kors top. It's a size 10 and it fit me kind of like a mini dress, so I thought it would be nice as a dress. And that concludes my haul. I feel like I eat the same thing every day, like a bagel and eggs, and then this goop salad for lunch. Put my comfy hoodie back on. These are obviously just samples, so ignore the packaging. Oh, interesting. Okay. I'm mixing stuff. Okay, I love you guys. I'm ending the video here. This was a shorter vlog, but I want to start a new one. So, bye. I love you so much.